Hi, this is an unboxing video of LG Stylus DAB Plus smartphone. Okay, this is the box, and guess how much I got it for? I got it for $149 from Aldi in Australia. I can show you the brochure. Let's have a look at the features written on the box. So this is LG Stylus DAB Plus, and some of the features are it has a pen, a stylus pen, and the screen size is a HD screen with 5.7 inch, and it has dual camera. The rear camera is 13 megapixel and the front camera is 8 megapixel. And the main feature of this phone is it has digital audio broadcast radio, so you can listen to digital radio using this phone. Okay, it's still sealed. Let's open this now. The phone pretty much occupies the whole box. It feels pretty thin and light. Okay, let's put that aside. Okay, this is a bag for recycling your used mobile phones. I'll use it when I'm throwing out the old phone. No stamp required if posted in Australia. Okay, let's put that aside. And this is the quick start guide for the phone. The model number is mentioned here. The model number is LG K520K. Okay. And this phone has a removable battery, which is actually good. You can buy a replacement battery if you need one. It comes with a USB to micro USB connector, and also an Australian version of the plug, so you can use this to charge your phone. And it also comes with an earphone set. Okay, that's all from the box. Let's have a look at the phone. It's pretty big, but thin, and it's pretty light as well. Okay, it doesn't have the battery in yet, so can't charge at the moment. And you can see here at the end of the top here, you can pull out this, and there comes the stylus pen. That's cool. And that's the camera, the micro USB connector, the microphone, the earphone jack, I guess. Not sure what this hole is for, possibly a microphone. And nothing much there. It looks like a speaker grill, but it is actually buttons, so you can press this and this. So most probably these are volume up and down buttons, and this seems to be like a button. Maybe this is a power button. I'll need to check the manual and test it later. Before that, we need to insert the battery. Let's open the casing up. So you can see there's a hole here. Put your nails in, just take it out. so the whole thing comes out. Okay, so this is the connector for the battery, and this is a slot, this double slot here. One is nano SIM and micro SD. Okay, and this is the actual speaker. Okay, let's take out the battery. LG battery is the model number. It is BL45B15. So probably you can get replacement if you need to, or spare. Push that in. So the battery is now firmly in place. All you need to do is realign it with the casing and press the edges. Okay, now we're done, and we need to charge this phone before we can test. Let's take out the cable. So this is the adapter. It's nicely wrapped in plastic. So just plug that in. So this will go to the main point, power point, and this will go in this micro USB slot. Okay, now let's charge the phone. Plug it in to the power point. Okay, you can see there's an LED light, red light, and the battery indicator. Oh, I just saw Android icon. LG Life's Good, powered by Android. I actually didn't press any button. The moment I plugged it into the power point, the phone turned itself on. It seems to be loading something. So you can see it says Android is starting, optimizing app 1 of 1. Android is starting. Finishing boot. Okay. So this is the welcome screen. At the moment the language is selected to English Australia. Let's go to next by clicking this. Okay, it says insert SIM card. We'll skip this at the moment. It says set internet connection. There's no mobile network because we don't have a SIM card yet. Let's connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm going to connect this. Oops. Okay, I've entered the password for the Wi-Fi. Connect. Okay, it's connected. So go to next. So it's checking connection and it says this can take up to 2 minutes. And currently it's checking for software update. Okay, if you use another Android device, you can quickly copy your current setup to this LG K520. I'll just say no thanks and do the transfer manually later. Click next. You need to sign in using a Google account. I have now entered my Google account email and password. Okay, there's some terms and options. Google services, and click next. Based on the Google account that I've logged in on the other phone, my current phone is Asus. So this is the model, and it says it gives an option restore from this backup, and it was last used today. Okay, so backups include apps, app data, system setting, and Wi-Fi password. So it looks like it's going to be straightforward to transfer all the information from the apps and data. So I'm going to click next. There's a lot of apps here. If you notice, there's 102 apps. Most of them were installed for testing purposes. I'm probably going to clear them out after this. Protect your phone. Prevent others from using this phone without permission, activate device protection features. So protect this device, require pin, pattern, yes. Let's do that. Oops. Not sure what happened there. The screen brightness just went off. Okay, that's interesting. I'm just pressing the button at the back. Okay, so looks like we probably have to go through this without much brightness on the phone. Okay, select screen lock. I'm probably going to put a pattern. Okay, I've just entered the unlock pattern, and the next stage is set backup pin. If I have forgotten the pattern, I can enter this backup pin to unlock the screen. So I'm going to do that now. Unfortunately, the screen brightness has reduced automatically. I'm not too sure why. Let me just unplug the power and put it back and see if anything happens. Nope, nothing changes. So I need to figure out what's happening there. So meanwhile, let me do the pin. I click on next. So it's asking for a pin. Okay, I've entered the pin number in case I forget the screen pattern lock, and the next screen is lock screen notification. Select what notification show on lock screen. Okay, so by default it's height sensitive only, so let's leave it as the default. Press OK. At the moment the phone is doing a restore. That process might have been completed, and I'm looking at this next screen. It shows legal documents, EULA and user license agreement. All are ticked. I'm going to select done. Okay, setup from old device. You can copy data from your old device. I'll do that later then. Okay, now the home screen has loaded. Let's have a look at the screen brightness, which automatically decreased while the setup was going on. I'm going to drop this down, and as you can see, the brightness is pretty low. I'm going to increase that. There you go, it looks much better. And yep, you can see that it is still restoring application, and there's a lot more to go, and there's no SIM card at the moment. So what I'm going to do is let the application restore complete, and once that's done, I'm going to insert a SIM card and then proceed with further tests. Okay, so it looks good so far, and thank you for watching this video. I'll be coming out with more videos soon, and enjoy the video.